like I go to Northeast Academy, and and they moved our administrators and principals who are helping us to a school that needed help, but now we have principals and administrators that care more about what we're wearing than what we're learning. I'm like, okay, you suspended me for not having on my belt, but you steady complaining about how our test scores is going down. So, I mean, what? You making yourself look bad. Not you, but the people making themselves look bad and stuff like that. And I just wanted to bring that to I don't see the mayor. It's not against him, I'm just saying, because he's saying he's helping, trying to help us and stuff like this. And I just want to bring that to his attention that the people that they get in to work with students are actually worse than most students. Yeah. I had a teacher tell me he didn't care about my education. I had a teacher that told me he could care less about the students at our school. And they sit here hiring people to supposedly teach us and watch out for us and stuff. It's still people coming to our schools with guns, trying to kill people and stuff like that. It's still people coming to our
schools. What is your name?
Raytheon Cyrus.
Raytheon?
Raytheon.
Raytheon?
Raytheon.
Raytheon?
Raytheon? Yes.
Raytheon, you're way too shy. I wish you would learn to speak up a little more. Thank you very much.